Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Aishwarya, a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and the topic for today is Article 32, which states remedies of enforcement of right confirmed by this part. Remedies of enforcement of right confirmed by this part denotes first is the right to move the Supreme Court by appropriate proceedings for enforcement of the rights confirmed by the part is guaranteed. Second one is the court shall have the powers to issue the directions or orders or writs, including writs in the nature of habeas corpus and the prohibition quanto verito, whichever may be appropriate for the enforcement of any of the rights confirmed by this part. Third one is without the prejudice of the powers confirmed by the Supreme Court by clause 1 and 2, Parliament may by the law empowers any other court to exercise with the local limits of the jurisdiction all or any one of the power exercisable by the Supreme Court under clause 2. Fourth one arises the right guaranteed by this article shall be suspended except as otherwise provided by the Constitution. Compensation of the victim is recognized, the principles law being enforced through the ordinary civil courts, and the emergency of the compensatory jurisprudence in the light of human rights psychologically is positive signal indicating that the judiciary has undertaken the task of protecting the right of the life and personal liberty of all the people, respectively of the absence of express constitutional provisions and jurisdictional precedent. And then it states that although the concept is new, the content is not, and these rights have been recognized since the ages and becomes a part now of the constitutional mechanism of several countries. India recognized these rights under Part 3rd of Constitution, providing the remedies for enforcement of such rights. Thank you.